Good morning, students. Uh, Welcome back to our studies, to our classes. And as you know, from today, after our holidays, we are going to start our studies, our chapters, remaining parts of lessons, and revision also. And I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays and all are safe. So few points are left in our chapter number 6 is here, and that was the Khaljis and the Tughlaqs. We are discussing about the dynasties. So these are the remaining part of the lesson. So we are going to start our point Mongols invasion. From here we are going to restart discussing about the lesson. So we are as you know, we are already we have completed the part Khilji dynasty here about the Alauddin Khilji. So we are going to talk about the Mongols invasions. Firstly, we have to know who is Mongols. So that is they were pagans and horses riding tribes of Central Asia. They are Mongols. So we are going to talk about here about these. So during Alauddin Khilji's reign, the Mongols invaded India 5 times, at least 5 times. But every every attempt, they faced defeat from Alauddin's journals. He had made strong arrangements to check the Mongols. He got all the forts along the routes of attack, repaired the way, and secondly, he paid uh, special attention towards the organization, training, and discipline where of the army in his army. And he also punished those Mongols who settled near to the Delhi at the time of Jalaluddin Khilji. So this is the illustration about the Mongols invasions of that time. So this was the reasons and conclusions here. Now the second part, we are going to talk about the major here to here, that is measures against nobility. Okay, we are going to discuss about this part now. So on his ascension uh, 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 of the throne, Alauddin had to face a number of revolts by the nobles and some of his own relatives also. He analyzed the After that, he analyzed the causes of these revolts, and after that made some reforms to root out these. So uh, he reduced the economic and political power of nobles firstly, and after that he prepared a very strong spy system also. Here he established an efficient spy system. You know that what is a spy? Kind of detectives, hide army, hide persons. So they are working for their king. So this is all, and of course, the gambling was forbidden, and gambler were punished also here. These are all the little reforms at that moment, uh, and he decided all these things against the nobility. Next one, we are going to talk about the revenue reforms. So, Alauddin Khilji introduced many economic reforms during his kingdom, his rule. And Alauddin fixed the prices for what? Of food grains, especially cloth and other things, necessary things, and had them enforced very strongly, very strictly. This is the reason. Very strict, actually, he was the person. No one was permitted to purchase at that time after this rule. No one can purchase grain, especially from the cultivators directly, from the uh, pigeons, and only the authorized traders, dealers could do that thing. So this was also very very hard rule here, very hard. And all merchants in Delhi at that time were required to register themselves very strictly. That is all there. And one thing more, all type of speculation, marketing were checked very strictly. So Alauddin's economic measures had also another important aspect, and that related to his land revenue also. Another thing, land revenue policy, that is. And in this the Sultan had twin motives, kind of. First one, very firstly, he just wanted to establish direct link between the states and the tillers of the soil. Okay, and at the same time, he wanted to uh, rise the venues from the land. This is also he happening that time. The Sultan also put an end to the special privilege to whom? Of the to the Chaudhries, that one the headman of the uh, that is the place. And khuts, one another word here, that is zamidars at that time. And that is mukaddams, that is headman of the village again. So beside the state collected the revenue in a kind from the uh, that is called, that is the Khalsa land. And the Sultan introduced two another new taxes. First is the horse tax, and another a tax on all milk cows. So these one all are the revenue reforms he did. So next uh, coming topic in my next video. Thank you.